Good morning, Madison. It is Opahle's tech tip here today. And today, getting ready for the holidays, this is just about something fun, something easy, something to bring a little celebration to your life. So my tech tip this week is an extension that you can find in the Chrome Web Store. So if you've not visited the Chrome Web Store, they have lots of extensions, themes, different things that you can add to your Chrome browser. But if you want to search for Confetti Cannon, in the Confetti Cannon, you would just click Add to Chrome. You can add the extension. Shows you it's been added. You can see I have multiple extensions here that these are the ones I use most frequently. If you click on this puzzle piece, you can actually pin the ones that you use most frequently to your Chrome browser. So I'm going to pin this Confetti Cannon. And then, you guys, just wait to see what happens. So it will not work on this Chrome page if I try it. So I'm going to go over to the page that I'm using to screencast this. And if I find something exciting or something great happens in my class and I click the confetti cannon, confetti just comes flying out everywhere. So again, nothing huge, just a little fun celebration today. Sometimes we need a little confetti in our lives without the mess. Have a great day, Madison.